Everyone, it's Aisha Chidoe from the Chidoe Law Firm. I hope you all are having a great day. I'm an immigration attorney here in Orlando, Florida. I represent clients all over the United States and internationally. If you'd like to immigrate to the U.S. or you'd like assistance with your green card, work permit, I'll be happy to assist you. My phone number here is 407-995-6567. So today I want to talk about why it's important to have an immigration attorney when you're filing an immigration petition. So yes, there are forms that anybody else can print out and, try and fill the forms. But a lot of times, immigration is not just about the forms. It's about certain moving parts. It's about certain requirements that even though a form is available and you think you qualify, you might not qualify because of X, Y, and Z. And so you typically would need an attorney, or if you had an attorney, they would be able to, one, do a comprehensive analysis and tell you if you qualify for something, or give you better strategy to qualify for something if you don't already qualify for something. That's number one. Number two, sometimes you might file a petition that's not satisfactory to immigration, and they will ask you they will send you a notice of intent to deny your petition, or they will send you a request for additional evidence. Or sometimes, you send something and it's rejected because you didn't either use a proper form, the most up-to-date form, or you didn't send the filing receipts. Those are mistakes that, one, with the filing, with rejection, more likely than not, most attorneys are not going to make those mistakes because they send, so much of those cases. So that's not something they have to worry about too. If you get a notice of intent to deny, you want somebody to advocate for you. You want somebody to bring some legal analysis of why they shouldn't deny your case and why you deserve that green card. So just think about the word advocacy, somebody to fight for you. Because as I said, these are forms, you can fill out a form, but do you have anybody fighting for you? Do you have anybody that knows when, immigration is basically telling you something that is not right? Or USCIS officer is basically antagonizing you during an interview, but there's nobody to advocate for you, which leads me to my third point. You should get an immigration attorney because, you always want to go with somebody to your interview that will advocate for you, that's there and has been around, USCIS officers and listened in on those interviews so that they can prep you, number one, for those interviews so you know what to expect. And if you don't have an attorney that's prepping you before your interviews, you need to let them go. But anyway, as I digress, you want to be prepped for your interview, and then you want to be able to go into that interview confident, knowing that, my attorney has my back, and if something goes wrong, he or she's going to speak up on my behalf. And the final thing is, you always need a third eye, a second eye, a third eye, a fourth eye when you send your petitions to make sure that you've not made any critical mistake, in your applications. A lot of times when you hire an immigration attorney, it goes through a series of eyes where we're reviewing those documents to make sure that, we're submitting accurate information. So I hope you found this video helpful. And of course, if you need an immigration attorney, I'll be happy to assist you. And a reminder, October 2nd, the filing fees are going up. So you want to try and send out any petition for immigration that you qualify for before that date, because almost all categories fees are going up, and they're going up in a very painful way. So just take care of that. Again, my number is 407-995-6567. I hope you have a wonderful day.